Hey guys, you already know you can make money when the stock is going up. You know you can make money when the stock is going down. But do you know you can make money even when the market is in the sideways? Imagine a stock like ITC, which is trading in a range for an eternal now. You can make money in those kind of stocks through options trading. So that's exactly what we are going to look at in this video. But before moving on guys, hold on a second. LearnApp has a surprise for you. LearnApp is offering a personal finance course completely free, exclusively for YouTube viewers. You can be a trader, investor or anyone else. Personal finance is something which is for all and you must check the course. This course will help you manage your finance from scratch in a much practical way and help you in building emergency fund, also help you with credit and insurance. You also will get a well-designed sheet that comes up with a goal-based calculator. Click the link in the description below and register in the LearnApp website and get access to this personal course curated just for you. There are two types of option contracts, a call option and a put option. Let's not get into that now. What's more interesting is there are two types of option traders, an option buyer and an option seller. When an option buyer is bullish, he buys a call. When an option buyer is bearish, he buys a put. And that's exactly opposite what an option seller does. When an option seller is bullish, he sells put. And when an option seller is bearish, he sells call. Probabilities always favor option seller. Wondering why? Option buyer can make money only when the market is bullish or bearish. But option seller can make money even when the market is in sideways. Now let's look at our favorite stock ITC. We all know it's been in a sideways range for a very long time. If you are an ITC option buyer, most probably you would have lost a lot of money because we saw, right, ITC is trading in a range for a very long time. And for an option buyer to earn money, the stock should go up or down very fast. But guys, there is a good news. If you are an option seller and your view goes wrong and the market goes sideways, you would still end up in being profit. Let's see with an example. For example, if you would have short sold ITC's call option of September expiry of 220 strike price, on 8th of August, it was trading at 7 rupees and currently at 9th of September, it is trading at 1 rupees 70 paise. So guys, it's a 6-point gain and 6 into 3,200. 3,200 is a lot size of ITC. So you would have earned around 18,000 rupees. So guys, we saw how an option seller makes money even in a sideways market. So please drop in comments and tell what kind of option traders are you. So guys, don't forget to click in the link below for the free exclusive course created just for you. See you in the next video.